Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's a 12 by 16 inch canvas. This is my new Meeden acrylic base paint. And I'm going to spread it with an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula that you can find too if you are looking for it on my Amazon link that's on the link tree, which is right directly below the video. Sometimes it's under Show More. If you do open Show More, you're going to find my paint pouring recipe. But mostly the link tree has all the links on it that you could ever want. My website, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and more will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America and show you what I have managed to put my artwork on in those locations. I also have Teespring clothing below the video. Should you happen to appreciate something that I have not added there, please let me know and I will do my best. You can contact me through my email, which is right underneath the link tree. I see that thing that does not belong. Come here thing. Regarding lessons, I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I have private classes, one-on-one. And I do sell my artwork. So if you're looking to get in touch with me, I will get back to you through that email address. And thank you guys while I'm here talking about this stuff. Thank you for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time. Keep my morale boosted. I am going to do, in my opinion, I'm going to try and do a simple swipe. And I want to use the Chrysocolla, which is a prism pour from Color Art. And I don't usually go straight across, but I'm thinking about using one of my swipe cards that's cut. I like changing things up. And I like this Meeden paint because paints don't sink like this is my Venetian blue from Modern Masters and it invariably sinks. I think I'm going to start with what I've got in a moment. That is a deco, excuse me, yes, that's a deco art. No, it's not. It's a folk art. Folk art color shifting green gold. That purple is closed, so I will use the purple that is open. I want a lighter color in there, and I think it's going to have to be this. I would like it to be this. It was open a moment ago. I promise you. My tweezers, my sharp end tweezers are on the link tree too, and they're a great asset. Boy, oh boy, I'm not feeling it yet. I want some red in there. Is that weird? Yeah, oh well. Still not feeling it. Let's just give it a shot. I'm going to put some gold in there before I decide to do anything else. And some Amsterdam black. And I will decide what, if anything, will fix this after I work on it for a few minutes. And right now, I'm going to grab... I have one that's a curvy one and one that's a toothy one. And I think I'm going to grab the toothy one. Put some Floetrol into my dish over here. Bring that where you can see it, maybe. I left the paint on my toothy one just so it would be easier to see. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's get that paint out of the way. I want to use all of my residuals right over my edge. Nice cells. I'm going to wipe off my residuals also. Grab some more Floetrol. And use my residuals right over my edge again. I guess I'm just going to give myself permission to make a mess. No, I want this side. I'm going to try and use a little less. Actually, what am I going to do? I'm going to offset. and still knock off my residuals so I have some coverage. Now go ahead, do it again. Nice colors. I think I'm just going to continue my design down evenly until I figure out what I really want to do. This time I'm going to take my paint off of my card because there was a buildup there. I'm going to dip just the tips again. I'm going to add that right to the edge. I've got some nice cells. Fill in that edge also. Not sure I like that. But I'm going to do it anyway. Tempted to go ahead and use no, I'm going to use a spatula. I kind of want to just keep playing with this a little bit longer, maybe with a card. I'm nervous though. I like that pink. I think maybe I'm just going to give myself permission to use some more of it too. The white from the Mead paint does come up through, so I have to be really careful about the pressure I use. But for some reason, the other paint colors don't sink, so I get to keep them. And I've never ever seen the Venetian blue stay, so this is really incredible. I'm not sure I'm feeling this yet. Being called to orange, which is kind of bizarre because there's no orange in there. But that might be the solution. You never know. My muse is not often wrong. I'm going to throw my pointy card in the bucket and find myself a nice little card over here somewhere. There we go. Please don't hate it. No, I think I'm going to like that. If I can keep it. It's very dangerous attempting to do blue and orange together. But that is why I am not dragging hard at all. Better and better. Not sure about this one yet. I think some real oranges in my future instead of this lighter color. If it's open. And then maybe I can put some of that over here. I want some more of the pink too. I think I might be interested in playing with the basting brush. Although I'm pretty nervous about it because I know the Mead and paint underneath usually comes right up through, but that might be a neat effect. I wonder if I added enough colors. I'm not so sure about this in here. I think I need something in there. Like some more purple, I guess. I'm quiet because I'm focused. This is still the same first day for me playing with these paint colors with the Mead and acrylic. For some reason I'm being called to black and gold, and I guess I'm just not done until I'm done. Let's do the gold and the black. I'm liking that better already. My edges are tenuous though. I think the Mead maybe make it impossible not to use a frame. I like the orange. I'm not done with it by any stretch. Maybe I'll just add some. Especially if it doesn't sink. That must be Floetrol. So do I really want to add black, or is that going to freak me right out? Because it kind of feels freaky. I might be sorry about this. Whoop, I might have been sorry about that. Yeah, I never go back from the other direction, and I want to try it. Wipe my card off, grab a little Floetrol, give it a shot. I think I need a whole bunch more of that, to tell you the truth. I'm not sure how much time I have left. Especially since I don't even remember setting the timer. I got 2 minutes. It's not my favorite yet, but it's not done yet either. I do like using the edge of the card. I do have some nice cells. That's better. Kind of lost that one. That one orange streak is standing out like a son of a gun. Not sure where. That's better. Not as confident with this one as I have been with some of the others. It's been a couple days. I guess that makes a difference. I've got 2 minutes to mention to you guys I do sell my artwork and my email address is below the video. I think I said that already actually. I have over 1,800 videos. Going on 19 actually. And if you're interested in finding them, go to all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel and look for them there. I'm having an interesting feeling about these colors. I'm thinking that I would like some magenta. And I don't think you'll be around to see me finish it. But you never know. I pull miracles out all the time. Got some nice cells. So please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. This is probably going to be way prettier and my period of adjustment will subside and I will fall in love again. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I think I'm done. It's just got a lot of texture and a lot of colors. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check for my all the goodies that I told you in the beginning still apply. Wow. Well, I wonder if I should torch. Remind you guys to check the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds for this month's drawing prizes at the very start. It's nice colors. I got some edges to fix up, but I've got paint I can do that with. I got some really pretty cells. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I thought I turned that off. Bye for now. This is Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Just adding a few more bits of orange. Hoping I like it better tomorrow. I'll probably like it better in 5 minutes. But I love you guys all the time. I will see you anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla out.